What's up, guys? Mr. Dad and Alice from Positive Vibes Art for Kids. We're here about to do a little bit of a Play-Doh fun time. We got all sorts of stencils, and Alice got a little fidget. Batman fidget. Look at it. It's over her eye. Look, it's over her eye. 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 She's like a space pirate.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, guys. We got a ton of cool toys, Hot Wheels, and Alice even has Maui's hook, just in case we have to handle some business. So we're about to get started, guys. Just wanted to say hi. Thank you for tuning in and watching. And if you like what you see here, subscribe, like our videos, comment if you want to see anything, or if you want to tell us hi. We'd love to hear from you.
And push the like button.
That's right. Smash that like button.
With your nose.
With your nose. Or your ears, or your elbow, or, your forehead if you feel like it. Alright, guys, we're about to get started, so let's do this thing. Alright, guys, what's up? We're back. We changed locations because we were having a hard time over there on the floor. But it is time for a little bit of Play-Doh fun. You know what I'm saying? I got little Miss Alice here. We got Slimer Green. What do you got there? Is it coming out? Scoop it out. And let's see what we can do here. You get it? Oh, this stuff's so squishy. Look at. Oh, it bounces. It bounces. What do we got here? We got super orange. Stuff feels super
We
squishy.
got some super
What?
pink.
Let's get this super purple. Right there. Alright. So far we are doing good.
Get the super pink.
We got pink too?
Yeah.
Alright. What are we gonna do? I have an idea. I wanna play a game with you. Yeah? You wanna know what the game's called? It's called Hide the Hot Wheel. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a Hot Wheel inside of one of these balls of Play-Doh, and you have to figure out which one it's in. Let me do this. Dun, 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 dun. Watch. We can make a little pyramid real quick. I don't think we have enough for a pyramid, but let's get it as close as we can. All right, let me grab a Hot Wheel. Okay?
I'll get you one.
Yeah, you find me a Hot Wheel. All right, and then I'm just gonna get it right over here. All right, guys. Which one should I hide it in? When she's not looking, which one should I hide it in? She's never gonna find it. I don't know why the orange is colder than all the other colors. Way colder. Okay, grab one. Come on, brother. Let's do this thing. Let's play.
I'll get you red.
I'm ready to play. Oh wow! Look at that. Watch. All right, put your hands over your eyes. Don't peek. Okay. I gotta hide this in the Play-Doh, and then you have to pick which one you think it's in. Don't look. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to put it in. Don't peek. I'm shaping them all like the car so that you don't know. All right. Hold on. Don't look yet. Don't look. Once the butterfly comes over and tells you. All right. You pick which Play-Doh you think the car's in. Is it in the green?
No.
Is it in the purple?
No.
Could it be in the red?
No.
Is it in the pink? You're picking pink? No, pick it up. Tear it open. See if it's in there. Tear it open. Is it in there?
No. Can I
Here.
pick all of them?
Here. All right. Well, here. Since the pink's out, close your eyes again. I'm going to mix them up. All right, I think I lost track of which one it's in. All right, open your eyes. Open your eyes, Evan, let's see. It's all good, come on. Try to figure out which one it's in. Is it in the orange one? You think it's in the orange one? Tear it out. Ah, you're so close. Nope, guys, not in the orange. All right, let me see. Close your eyes again, close your eyes again. Let's mix them up. She'll never figure it out. All right. Round and round they go. Which one it's in? Nobody knows. All right, give it another try. Give it another try. What do you got?
Red.
You trying red? Ah, so close. So close, but not in the red either, guys. All right, we're doing the Hot Wheel treasure hunt right now, and Alice she's 3 for 3 at the moment. So let's mix them up. Which one? All right. Hold on. Let the crab come over. I can't tell you, it's a secret. You picking purple? Oh, girl. Not in there either? Not in that one either. All right, come on, let's try. You got 2 more. You got a good guess? Lucky guess? Which one is it in, guys? Do you remember? Is it in the teal or is it in the green?
No, I don't.
You picking the teal? Ah, you found it. Yeah, good job. It's called process of elimination. Nice. How's that Hot Wheel looking? Show everybody. Is it all mudded up? Hold it up, let's see it. Yeah.
Okay.
Look it. Whoops. Okay. Alright, guys. It's still looking pretty quick though. Got a little mud in the tires, but
Dad, it's my turn to
All right.
hide the car.
guys, Alice is gonna hide the car this time. Don't tell me where it is, alright?
Okay, close
I'm gonna
your
close
eyes.
my eyes. Dad's gonna close his eyes. And you hide it. I promise I won't pee. I promise I won't. I promise. Cover it real good and then squish all the other Play-Dohs up so they look like there's a car in there. Make them like ovals. And then mix them up.
You can open your eyes.
Can I? Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to know where... Oh, the butterfly's telling me it's time? Look at them all. They all look like they have cars in them. You did such a good job of hiding it. I'm gonna go with... Let me go with pink. It's in here. You kidding me? You kidding me? Oh my god. We got a flat pancake there. There's not a car in that one. Alright, let me ask Mr. Crab and Mr. Starfish, because they saw you. Mr. Crab, Mr. Starfish, which one is it in? Oh, you can't tell me because that's cheating? Oh, alright. I guess that's fair. I guess that's fair. Let me try. It's a red car, so it's gotta be in the red plate. Are you kidding me, Alice? You got Mr. Dad on a wild goose chase. I got 4 options left. Ooh, you see that? Little cat hair or something. What is going on here? Wait a minute.
No.
Okay, we got that out of there.
That's cut you.
Let's try the teal one. Are you kidding me? I thought that was a spicy meatball. I could have swore that one was in there. How are you so good at this? Is it because you watched me earlier or what?
For sure, yeah.
Let's try purple. No? Alright guys. Help me out here. Comment, is it orange or is it green?
It's green.
Is it orange? Is green?
Yeah.
You just tell me the answer.
Yeah.
You just tell me the answer.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm trusting you. If it's not in this green one, I'm gonna tickle you. You got to be kidding me. You just tricked me? And I believed you? Here, wait. Let me see. Hey. There she is. There she is. Good job. Called Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt. That's what I'm...
Let's use 2 cars and hide it.
You want to hide 2 cars?
Yeah.
Or do you want to make an obstacle course for the cars to drive on?
Oh yeah, sure.
Want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, watch. If we go like this, check it out.
That's the ramp.
Yeah, we'll make a ramp right here. And then let me make it smooth, like this. Okay. Let's see. That's too high. We need to fix that. It's too much of a peak at the top there. So if we smooth it out a little bit, look at. Oh, sorry. Drummer. Drum roll, please. See, we'll smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out. All right, let's see. See if it drives over that. All right, now look. We'll put one of these here. These are like cones, okay? Check it. We'll make little cones, and the car has to drive in and out of the cones. Okay? It can't hit them. Here, let me get some more.
Do a rainbow.
Yeah, we'll do a rainbow of cones. Let's mix these 2 colors. It's like peach. See it? Peach.
I'm gonna mix one.
Yeah, here, you might start making some obstacles too. Or make some more cones with me. Just different colors. And then we can set the cones up. And we'll keep making our obstacle course. You just gotta make them like little pyramids. They look like little snowman noses. Alright. I'm gonna try to make a Hot Wheels tunnel. Okay?
Look at this frame.
What? That looks like bubble gum.
Mhm.
Look at, I'm gonna put this here. This is like a tunnel. Hot Wheels tunnel. Let's see if it goes through it. Think it will? Oh, it does. A little bit of, I gotta clean up the top a little bit. I'm gonna try to get some of this out of the wheel so it rolls better. Alright guys, if you really like your Hot Wheels, do not stick them in Play-Doh because you will end up with some issues. What do you got going on there? Well, here, I'll grab it. It kind of smells like it too. Look right here. Watch. Then it goes over. Look at this. It goes over the jump, and it goes through the tunnel. And then I got an idea. Let's make a snake turn. What? Show everybody that. Look at that color that you just got right here. Show everybody that color.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys. Can you believe the colors?
Can you believe the colors?
Alright, look at. This is how you make a wiggly worm. You just start rolling your fingers and spread your fingers out. Just like that. Keep making it bigger and bigger and bigger.
I'm making this
What are you making?
snake.
You gonna make a snake too? Is that like Slither IO?
Yeah.
It's like a Slither IO snake?
Yeah.
Alright, I like it. So far, so good.
Mine's awesome.
You have a really nice snake you're making over there.
Mhm.
Okay, check this out. I'm gonna make a turn right here for us, and then we'll come back this way. Our car has to make this turn right here. And then we'll come back this way, and then, yeah, add it on right there. Go this way with it. And Dad's gonna make a big jump now. Mr. Dad,
Ooh.
here, try some blue, or you want to use blue, purple, or that kind of looks like,
Let's make some more cones.
I want to say that color looks like tangerine.
Dad, we have to make more cones.
Okay, I'm gonna make this jump. You make a couple more cones.
No,
Okay?
I don't know how to make cones.
You don't?
No,
I'll show you. It's really easy.
I don't want to make cones.
All right.
You make cones.
Okay, I'll make them. I'm gonna make this jump. This really big jump. Look at this.
Wow.
You put it right there.
No, Dad, I have a better spot for it.
Where are you thinking? There? Well, hey, look. The car has to go like this. Watch. Let me just show you what I'm thinking. And then you tell me if it's a good idea, okay? What I'm thinking is, here, we'll put this right here. We'll make a cone and put it right there. So the car has to go around it. Alright, watch. What I'm thinking is this is going to weave in and out. Round, round. It's going to go over this bump, through the tunnel. Okay? It's going to go around the cone like this, and then it's going to hit the big jump. Now, we want somewhere for him to land here. So should I make the landing in this blue,
No.
this purple?
No.
or this?
No.
Well, we got to use one of them. He's got to land.
Okay, you can put it in this one.
Do the blue?
Yeah,
Okay.
do a tiny bit.
Hey, and we got to do another one of these right here. So he'll turn again. So you're going to have to make another snake. Okay? One more snake. I'll help you make one in a sec. I'll make one too. It's stuck on your hand?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we didn't know what we were going to do here. We were just playing, but apparently we are building a Hot Wheels stunt track out of Play-Doh.
Here.
You got a snaky snake? Look at that little guy. That's a baby. He's just a cute little baby snake. Alright, check it out. Now let me roll this like this. Let me make another one. Alright, we need one more thing. What are you going to make with that purple?
But Dad, I need to mix the colors up.
Okay, what do you want? Some of this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because I don't need all of this for this snake. I just need some of it. This is enough Play-Doh to make it long enough for our last turn. And then we will have a Hot Wheels stunt track.
I make an awesome cone.
Yeah. You making one?
Yeah.
Okay, check it out. Let's see here. We're gonna go right about here, and we're gonna make the last turn
Dad, look at this.
just like this.
Dad,
Let's get this over here.
look at.
What? You serious? It looks like it's from outer space. It looks like a comet from outer space. Alright, check it. You're
Dad,
doing...
can you make a cone?
Yeah. Here, can you keep rolling this snake for me? I'll trade you. You do that, I'll make a cone. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. We need it to look. We need it to work. Gotta help me out, sister.
Look at his tail.
He's got a floppy tail. Floppy tail. Say floppy tail.
Flap the tail.
All right, where do you want this cone at? Whoa, it's too much. Where do you want this cone? Right here. He's got to have enough room for the car to go through. So we'll put it right about here. Okay? So we'll space them like that. Yeah, you getting that? Here, let me borrow that snake now. I think you made it perfect length. Okay, guys. Let's get this last little piece in here. Alice
Now
has
let
made
me try
a
out the car.
perfect snake. And Alice is going to give this track here, a go. Let's see. Let me roll this one right here. Let me set this. Okay. Go through that cone.
Oh, God.
Here, let me scoop that one out. We got it. Sometimes we got to adjust a little bit just to make it work. So let me open these up a little. Okay. Go over there. Now go through the tunnel. No way. You're not going to go through all this whole thing. Serious?
Yeah.
And then the big jump. What? Boom. Come around. All right, Dad. Let Dad do one. Yeah.
Yes.
What do you think about that one? Yeah, give it a go. Here, try it again. Here, come, give it a try. Gotta make the sounds. Woof, woof, doing it backwards. What? Uh-oh. I think Crab wants to join the race. I think the crab wants to join the race. Oh no, he's gonna do a crab flip. A lobster flip. Oh my God, it's never been seen in the history of stock car racing, a lobster flip. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. Now what do you want to do? Want to braid all these snakes?
Yeah.
Check this out. Go like this, lay this one next to it. We'll braid all these slippery snakes. Okay, check this out. I got a plan. Get them here. Here, scoot back over real quick. Let's roll some of these things into snakes, and then we'll braid them all together. Okay?
And the snakes go on the ramp.
Yeah, want to make them go on the ramp?
Yeah, because these are the snakes' ramps.
All right. Well, here, watch. Let Dad braid them, and then we'll put them on the ramp.
And these are the little baby.
Yeah. Oh, the little baby combs.
Yeah.
We lost one. Houston, we have a problem. She's ready.
She's ready.
All right, let's make them all the same length. Here, I'm gonna thicken this one up. Take that out. This is all extra. If you got a plan for that, make it happen. Dad's gonna roll this together.
The broken one.
Oh, it's all right. It's just Play-Doh. You just crush it up. It's new stuff. All right, check it. This is how we're gonna braid. Dad's not the best at braiding, but let's make this happen. Okay.
Look it.
Let's go
Look at the snake. Oh.
like this.
I just broke it.
Like this.
Dad, look at the snake.
Like this. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Okay, now let's go like
Oh my
this.
God, look, it's sleeping.
What? Look at all these snakes. They're all tangling together. Like this.
Because he wants snuggle.
Yeah, they're snuggly snakes. Most snakes are pretty scary, but not these guys. These are some sweet old snuggly snakes. Oh, look at this. It's like a snake rope. Look, and we can use this as a hair tie at the end. Watch. See?
No.
Perfect. What do you think? Well, here, if we don't like that, then we can just change it. See? I figured a hair tie would help hold them together. What do you think? Are they going to go over the ramp now? All these slithery snakes going over the ramp? Here, you want to take it? You want to do it? Think you can take this? You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Here, watch. Make it go like this. Put one here, and put one right here, like this. Now make them jump the ramp. Look at, here's a little ball. It's like Slither EO. Slither IO. Get them. You got to take the snake and eat them. Watch.
Let's make some more like a butterfly.
We'll put them all over, like this. And then this snake can go. See that? He's eating them all. You want to get some of them? Let me make more. You get some of them. Oh, and we'll put them all over.
Make these ones too.
Okay, I will. And you get them and then make the snake bigger. Oh my god. Uh-oh, here's the biggest one ever. Get this one. Oh my god, look at your snake just grew a big old pink tail. Oh my goodness, he's so big. He's too big for the house. He's too big for the house. Alright, let's see if we can pull these apart. Keep all the colors kind of separate. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. See if we can get this. We're doing alright so far. Okay, we'll do orange here, pink here, blue here. Let's try to get these all apart and not mix them up. Think we can get most of it? Ooh. I think we're doing a pretty good job. You're doing a great job. Little Miss Alice. Little Miss Alice. Alright.
Yeah, they're kind of mixed.
Yeah, some might be. Here, that's okay. There's a mixed pile. We'll put them right here. That's all the mixed ones are. Then we got green right here.
These are not the mixed ones.
No. Yeah, let's do that. Put that one with these. Alright. Let's see. Hey, we did a pretty good job. Pretty good job. Want to show everybody how we make those colorful butterflies?
Uh-huh.
Remember when we were doing that?
Yeah.
Watch. So take a little bit of green, a little bit of pink, just mix up a few colors, and then roll. Here, I'll give you a marker
No.
so you can roll it easy.
Okay.
These guys, they make great rollers if you don't have Play-Doh rollers.
Pink.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Forgot, I gave her the barn smeller. These are the Silly Scents by Crayola. They smell like a barn. This one. You mix your Play-Doh up.
Okay.
Here, right here, babe. We were making these really cool butterflies just by mixing all this Play-Doh. Like, see that? Look at that. Look at those colors. It's so pretty. Okay. Show everybody that. Can you believe how cool that is? Look at this. Right here. Look at this butterfly.
I make two.
Yeah, let's make a bunch. Watch. Put this one right here.
Let's make a bunch.
We'll make a few of them. I might even make a crazy starfish. You know? I'll call it If I made it red, I could call it Starfire.
Yeah. Or you can call it
Robin.
potato head.
Call it Potato Head.
Yeah.
Right. Here.
Potato head.
Call it Mr. Potato Head.
Yeah.
Call him Sir Starchy. French Fry.
Yeah.
McGillicuddy.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna
Mr. Fart.
make a psychedelic starfish. And let's see what happens. Dun 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 dun. Bam! Look at that.
Mhm.
It's easier if you just smash it with your hand. You should try that. Take your hand like this and just squish it. It makes it easier because it makes it a little thicker. Look at that. Look at these colors. So cool.
I'm gonna make a picture.
You want to make a Patrick star? Push, push nice and hard and then wiggle it just a little bit so it cuts it. There you go. You know how to do it. This is not your first rodeo, huh? You're a Play-Doh master. I want to make a Mr. Krabs. You got a Patrick star? I'll make a Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs. Right here, coming up.
I wish Mr. Krabs had a tail.
Yeah, let me see. See how thin this is? You should try smashing one with your hands.
No. Can't. They're so beautiful.
Yeah, these are beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna make a SpongeBob. Somehow, some way. Dad is going to make a SpongeBob. Let me see here.
I need to roll it.
Where are you? I need to get... Here, look, I got you your knife. Alright guys, I'm gonna make me and Alice here a green SpongeBob SquarePants out of Play-Doh
I'm gonna make a colorful SpongeBob.
because we do not have a shape cutter for SpongeBob. But I also don't have the right colors for SpongeBob, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we got. And they'll just have to be crazy colors. They're gonna be crazy color SpongeBob.
Mine's a beautiful color.
Yeah, baby, yours looks nice. Let's see here. I got his, whoops, got his upper body. What are you making?
SpongeBob.
Are you gonna do a SpongeBob too? So we both get to do SpongeBob's. Make his little pants, his little legs. See that? You just gotta make a square, baby. Kind of like a rectangle, I guess. Huh.
I'm making a baby SpongeBob.
Oh, a little baby one?
Yeah.
That's cute.
See?
Aww. Look at guys, it's SpongeBob when he was a baby.
Yeah.
That's so sweet.
Mhm. This is how tiny he was when he was a baby.
Yeah.
Look the purple paint on him.
You're gonna?
No, he's a girl.
SpongeBob is a girl.
Yeah.
Is it SpongeBobette?
No, I'm gonna call her
Oh, you're just using your imagination?
beautiful
Okay, okay.
flower.
I understand.
Where's pink?
I can feel it.
Where's the pink one?
Right here, sweetheart.
No, where's the pink cap?
The
The
pink.
pink.
What is it?
The pink marker?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, no, you can't draw on it with a marker. Oh, you mean to roll it?
Mhm.
It's right here. Oh, sorry, I misunderstood you. All
Maybe
right.
her skirt.
Guys, this is what it's all about. Having fun, being creative, spending time with your little ones. That's what's important.
Mine's important.
Yeah, you're very important. Let's see. I'm gonna make him legs. I just drew. Whoops.
Mine's a girl.
Yeah.
Mine is a girl because she's a
beautiful girl.
Yeah.
I just drew a SpongeBob the other day, so I have a little bit of an idea about how.
Well.
He's got carrot legs. Look. I don't know what happened, guys. My SpongeBob has carrot legs. He's all right. You know, he's got carrot legs. He lives in a pineapple under the sea, and he has carrot legs.
I'm making mine one carrot legs.
You're gonna give him carrot legs.
My girl.
Oh my god.
My girl has
Oh
carrot
my
legs.
Let's see. Are you giving him a carrot arm like me? Did you just rip his carrot arm off?
Yeah.
Look at.
Wait, you can have.
Hey, you be nice to my SpongeBob, all right? You show my SpongeBob some respect.
I'm gonna find your SpongeBob.
I'm gonna give him big old googly eyes. This SpongeBob, he's a unique fella here.
Look at
Nice.
he has a carrot.
All right. This is what happens when you don't have yellow and you need it. You just get. Crafty.
We'll give her a carrot nose.
Carrot nose.
Yeah.
I gotta make his teeth right now. He's got two. What kind of teeth?
Look at her nose.
Definitely a carrot nose.
I'll make it.
Let's see. Oh man, this is so tough. We're getting down to these little details.
Yeah.
We're trying to make some SpongeBob teeth here. He's got two front teeth. Oh my gosh, get in there. Get in there. Alright, so it's not the best SpongeBob in the world, but we tried. Okay? We tried, and that's what counts.
She has a skirt.
Look at. Oh, are you serious? That thing looks great. You beat me too. You're faster. You kidding me right now?
That was a race.
It was a race. And you just took that out. Play the race. Play the race.
Okay, I
Play the
made
race.
your hair.
Play the,
I won. Look at it.
Oh, that's so cool. All right, guys, check it out. We got Mr. Dad SpongeBob right here, and then we got. Oh, you gonna stand her up?
Yeah.
Let me see. Bring her over here and set her down right next to Dad SpongeBob.
Ah!
Oh my
No!
God. She came. No, she's good. She's good. No.
The eyeball comes off.
She just lost an eye. She's okay. We can make it better. All right, guys. What do you think? Dad's SpongeBob or Alice's girl SpongeBob?
Me.
I think they're both awesome.
Mhm.
All right, guys. Well, that's about all the time we got today. We really appreciate you hanging out with us and watching.
Bye-bye. I'm going.
And, you know, we're going to keep doing a lot of these fun videos and just doing what we do and playing and having fun together. And keeping those positive vibes going. If you like what you
And
see
guys,
here.
I'm going to eat.
Oh, yeah. And Alice is hungry, apparently. So subscribe if you like what you see in here and you want to see more. Like our videos, comments if you like what you see or have anything you want to tell us and any suggestions of videos we should make in the future. And thanks again, guys, and take care. Have a good night.